Struggling for its losses, this video is going to help you to step out from those losses, and of course, you would definitely be having an hedge henceforth in the market. I want you to watch this video to the end and learn one or two things so that you can position yourself better for next week. Do not forget, this is what we call market outlook. We come to the market to tell you our biases and what we are looking forward for next week. As a matter of fact, last week I gave out some trades for you guys, and of course, I'm gonna be doing a review on that. Mostly, and some of those trades played out perfectly well. But for this week, let's go into what I have for you. Please watch it to the end so you can learn one or two things and why we're going to be having some entrance, exit, and the reasons why we're going for some trades. For this, my first amazing and sweet appealing trade that I'm seeing for next week is USD Seychelles. I say this because it's quite interesting enough and look quite clean. Why do I say so? Do not forget that we had a little buy here that came back to do a drawdown the later bought, and we added more positions at this point. And market rejected it and come back to this zone. I believe that this small zone is just an inducement. Market is still coming to somewhere around here. This last lap here. Possible the initial. Now, same thing it did here. It was about to buy here. It came back to do an overlap and then move. It's going to do is something like a week, like a liquidity grab at this point area at this transition point. So I'm positioning my positions around this. I'm moving on my entry around this, and the market will go a long one. That is for USDC shelf. You can see it on daily. You can see it on daily, so we can see it clearly. Can you see, guys? So it's cool. Can you see? So I believe the move is not yet matured. It might still want to come down a bit. Then we can find my hand to it and launch. That is on CADJPY. Another one I'm considering for next week is this baby. GBPJPY. This one, of course, it's a massive and massive sell. It's a massive and massive short, guys. Please do not miss it. It's gonna be shorting. Why do I say so? Now, let me give you an 8. Whenever you see market having a pin bar like this, possibly there should definitely be a cover up on daily. Note that right now. Note it write it right now. Write it down right now, guys. If you see market having a pin bar, see, I see this pin bar having a naked, like a naked candle like this. So that suggests that means that what? For example, this person is eating rice, and this person did not have food at home any longer. And the rice, he could not finish it. He went back to work. He went to work, and by the time he returns, tell me what he's going to eat. He doesn't have anything to eat, anything left. He's gonna what? Eat that rice that's what left over and complete it. That same thing is gonna be happening in the market. So this is more like an incomplete candle. So definitely it should cover it up. So as a matter of fact, when you come to what 4 hour time frame, you should definitely be seeing a structure giving you a visible move for short. Can you see these candlesticks? I can understand it very well. I told you guys that what candle speaks a language, and you should be able to interpret those languages. As a matter of fact, if you speak Spanish, German, English, French, any language that you may want to, you should be able to you should be able to decode those languages the candlestick speaks. And as a matter of fact, with what I can see, this candle, this for 3 candles is telling me a short, and that is clearly I have traded it over and over time. But market should definitely still do a little bit, maybe poop up, then short. But it's left to you to find an entry around this market, guys. Please, for me, I will want to urge you, please and please try to join our telegram so that whenever we are launching and executing, you're definitely doing the same thing along with us and you can make money as well with us. Do not forget that last week, this very week last week, we had about 20 trades and amazingly we won all. As a matter of fact, we have our VIP as free. We have our Telegram where we discuss, we help traders. And also, we'll be having an amazing session, 2 days intensive session for gold trading alone for those that love trading gold. I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about gold, entering and exits, strategies, and how you can control form and every other stuff in 2 days about gold trading alone. So if you are interested and you fall in love with code and you would love to be practical of this training, why not look around this video and this I just look around this video and join us on Telegram so that we can, because we will definitely do communicate the notifications and of course the announcements on our community so that you can be a partaker of this and of course join us in making money as well. Another pair I am looking at for this new week is GDP USD. GDP USD had a proof of course, we were able to scalp something. I saw it coming. I knew it. This buy, I knew it was coming because of these candlesticks. Kai, you have to understand candlestick, guys. This one, two, three, four, five candlesticks. I saw this candlestick. I think the candle speaks a language. If you want us to teach you how to understand candle, you can join us on our Telegram group right now. Candle, comment candle, so we can arrange a special training for you and of course on scatter level and then have you been taught on how you can read candle. There's what we call reading of candle, there's what we call understanding candle, and there's what we call candle charts. Am I talking? So these are the things you should understand and you should be able to know. So if you want that, you can comment right now in this video candle so we can teach you. So this, let me show you on a higher time frame so you can see why I said I'm positioning myself for a short with the candlestick we're seeing. This is a double top. Of course, not disputing that. As said, we also have another reaction at this juncture, this area of concentration. Do not forget, we also have what? So this area, this, what am I calling? This area called 13500 is my area of concentration, AOC. This is my AOC, guys. So at that, my AOC, I can see two things. What am I seeing? I'm seeing a shoulder and I'm seeing a head and I'm seeing another shoulder. Meaning that what? This is a formation of both head and shoulder. Definitely, well, aside from that, my trend line that has been coming from daily and weekly is around it. Aside from that, I have my cycle level around it. That is four. Aside from that, candlestick is speaking something to me on 4 hour time frame. That is to say that GDP USD is a short for the next week, guys. Please, guys, do not miss this setup. This is a clean setup. I love it so much. These are quite interesting, guys. But you will definitely have to find your entering. For me, for entering, I would love to do like this. I would love to do like this for entering sake. And then if you are on our Telegram, you should be smiling and you should be enjoying it because you will definitely update you and tell you when we are executing on this trade, guys. Then you should put just this in above a bit here. This comes a bit below there and it tests under it, then you can find your entry. Or market might come back fully to this point here. Can come back to this for this point. Then react just as we have been reacting at this level, react at this level, then push. That is it for GDP USD. Another one I will looking out for is AUDJPY. A short as well. A short as well. A short as well. This is also a clean trade. I'm so much loving this week, man. I'm gonna be flipping account for this week because I'm seeing some clean setup right now, some massive clean setup, and amazing that we can do it. Can you see, guys? Can you see, guys? Market break a structure. Last structure here broke it massively, and market is retesting under it. That is a what? An area of concentration. That is my area of that is my AOC, guys. That is my AOC. That's my area of concentration. So I'm concentrating on that area because that is a very strong zone, guys. Right. So aside from knowing your area of concentration, what you need to know is just come into it and look at it. Is forward also telling me he wants to short or he's not ready to short? So this is a pure short, guys. You should begin to look for short. You should begin to look for short. You should begin to look for short, guys. You begin to look for short. Once market open, position yourself for entering. If you want to learn entering and you do not know how to enter, please can comment entering right now on this video or join us on Telegram. And of course, so we can guide you on that. And of course, this is also a clean setup with this candle. I'm seeing that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our students understand this. Candles alone tells us I'm still buying and I'm still long it. This candle tells us what is a candle that speaks exhaustion. Am I talking to somebody exhaustion that I'm ready to what? I'm ready to what? I'm ready to short exhaustions of buyers. That is what those candles speaks to me. I tell you guys that you must be able to understand those things. So an understanding of those things that helps us to easily identify these things with so much ease. So these five candlesticks with what is showing me, it shows an execution of buyers and is ready to what? And it's ready to short. So that's why we're considering a short. And if we want to wait for a stock formation, just wait for market to take away this last low and come down here. A bearish candle come down here, then a bullish retest, then boom, boom, come back to this post. It's a short. Please check this tweet. All of this tweet I'm giving you, check it by Wednesday, Thursday. If it doesn't play out, come in bastard. Come into this market, come into this comment and just comment your lord or your bastard or just comment something. Sure, yeah, just comment something, guys. These are so short tweet, crazy, massive, amazing, just so clear tweet, guys. So I wouldn't want any of you guys to miss it. Please do not miss any of them. Please, guys, do not. Another one I'm also looking at is EURJPY. I'm also looking at a short, same thing, same pattern, same one pair, one strategy, and of course, one setup. Same thing also, and of course on EURJPY. I'm looking at a short as well. I believe Monday market definitely can cover this and cover this to this extent here. That is same thing. And my last one I'm looking at for the week is okay. Am I considering gold? Let me see gold. Let me see gold. Let me see gold. Am I considering gold at the moment? Let me see what gold is doing. Nothing on gold at the moment. I can't see anything. Maybe if my go, awesome, awesome. I will be willing to shoot too long if gold comes here. I'm willing to but I doubt it. It might be this place might be a little bit inducement. Yeah, what I'm saying, this place might be a little bit inducement. This area of concentration here might be a little bit in market should react at this area, just an inducement, then instead have to come back. This is what I'm saying. This place might be a little bit inducement. But right now, nothing on code. But if you want to scalp, let me look at it for you. If you want to scalp, if you want to scalp, nothing on good at the moment. Because code analysis requires full attention, full carefulness, full clarity, full assurance because gold momentum is crazy than every other pair. So whenever you want to trade gold, you should be focused. You should be very attentive. You should be very sure that that trade is clean enough because gold will wipe away account if you are not careful. Will wipe you out. Come on, gold is crazy. Gold will definitely wipe you out if you are not careful. So that is that on that. I hope you understand this video and you learn one or two things from this today's class. Don't forget to always subscribe to this channel, and of course you can join us on Telegram for more educations, videos, signals, daily structure signals like this. Thank you and God bless you guys. Peace out and wish you lovely, profitable week ahead, guys. Bye.